Are you feeling stuck? And I don't mean in the snow or in the mud or hiking up a hill or put your foot in some dog poo or something. I mean, are you stuck and out of ideas promoting Save Club? You don't know what to say, what to do. How do I email? How do I get people to maybe ask me questions through social media? Or even like this, how do you do a chit chat with a webcam or your cell phone? Where's mine? Right here. Can you do a selfie and do a little video, talk to yourself? Or are you embarrassed? You're like, I don't want to talk to myself. I'll look like a weenie. Well, if you're by yourself, who cares? Honestly, if you can get over, I guess, the embarrassment or the nervousness of being on camera like this, then wear a hat, wear black glasses, put a bag over your head. I don't know. You don't have to be on camera like this. You can actually just talk maybe and show what you're doing by walking behind your camera. And maybe you're just walking in a park or you're walking around your living room or sit in your car, get the steering wheel in front and film your steering wheel and go, guys, I'm going to tell you about Save Club, but I'm too embarrassed to show my face. So I'm going to show you my steering wheel and just film your steering wheel. People will laugh. People will understand and relate to you because doing video it's a pain in the butt. You're going to be nervous. You're going to hate your face, hate your voice. You're going to not feel comfortable at all. But if you try it and just laugh, guys, lighten up a little bit. I sure hope you do video because I think it's the most effective way to get people to kind of know you, hopefully get to like you and trust you a little bit so that if you invite them, like I'm inviting you to my link, maybe you'll look into Save Club, join as a member, and then join as an affiliate because I want you to earn and make money at the same time. There's no reason why you can't. Level playing surface. There's no advantage. You can have 10 to 20 to 30 years experience and be broke. 99% of gurus out there that have been doing this type of business, the reason why they're joining a new opportunity like Save Club is because the last 10, 20, 30 years of what they've been doing is not paying anymore. So don't think you need a lot of experience to kick butt. Just take the advice and the training. What works June, and it's almost July 2025. Please, let's see, today we are officially 25 days old. We kicked this bad boy off June 1st of 2025, and today's the 25th as I produce this video. Can you do this? Yes. There's training, there's support. There are so many pictures. I dare say there's probably 1,000 pictures that you can upload, like to social media, or send somebody, attach in an email, or upload to social media. Let's just put it that way. We also have an insane amount of video. In my opinion, video is the most effective. I like doing this because hopefully you get to know me. Maybe you like the color yellow. Maybe you like Hot Wheels or the band Kiss or little mini fridges that I buy. Boom, you see my little elbow pointing to my little mini fridge. Of course it has nice cold drinks in it. And I can't remember what else is in there, but it's pretty cool. It's my little man cave here. Where I'm at, this probably was a broom closet, could have been a mortgage company. There was a sign that said dead hooker storage on the outside of the door, but now it's my little broadcasting booth. I have like a $25 light that just lights my face up a little bit. I bought a webcam for about $65. It's called the Logitech C920 or a 920C. You guys can find them, let's just say on eBay. I'm sure there's a million of them on Amazon. That's all I do. I think it sounds good enough. I think this looks good enough. I think I have the right amount of yellow on. I look like P-Boy, don't I? Holy mackerel. I need sunglasses just to look at my own screen with this much yellow on, but I do love it. I admit I am a big fan of the color yellow, and I like these darn Hummers and Hot Wheels and the band Kiss, and I like making money and having fun. And the best way for you to come aboard is to click a link and watch a short little video. Can you do that? And if you join me as an affiliate, do you want to join the two, not one, do you want to join the two biggest teams in Save Club that'll give you advice and support? It's invite only. We dominate the leaderboard, and we're going to dominate and dominate and dominate. When you have some of the nicest, most successful people in a group, and you got to realize that if you make money, so do I. So when you see someone that might be a guru and they've attained not only thousands, but maybe they've made millions in this online business, with a compensation plan like we have, their hundreds of thousands and potential millions is all based upon you making money, me making money. We all have to make money. And the more successful businesses that are available in Save Club worldwide, we're going to really probably dominate, because this is an international thing. This is not just something based out of Vegas or the United States, or focuses just on this piece of dirt with Canada up above and down below Mexico. Okay, this is not a North American thing. This Save Club is the first international Save Club, especially that has an affiliate, where you're the person that can get paid, not Kim Kardashian, not a sports celebrity or Hollywood type, not some influencer that has millions of views because he lights farts. Okay? Or girls that put makeup on, they might be able to generate millions of dollars, but good for them. But right now we need to take care of ourselves and make cash too, because we all love the internet. We all have cell phones. It's one of the greatest probably inventions in the world, unless you use it to waste time, or there's a lot of good, bad, and ugly with the internet. We all know that. But when it comes to a home-based business, especially a room that's, I don't know who knows what used to be in here, but let's just say there was a broom over here and there could have been some furniture that just stored cleaning supplies for all I know. But that right now, this is a cash machine that I sit in. In this office right here, I can sit and make some videos. People will email me. People will get a hold of me through social media. I like Facebook the best. And I can sit and type on this thing. I think it's called a keyboard. I'm pretty good at it. I don't like to do business much on the cell phone because I have to squint. I'm almost 60, so I want to make sure my eyes aren't tired and blurry all day. But yes, if you have a cell phone, you can easily do Save Club. We have a brand new app that's coming out that's going to blow away everyone how simple it is to save money and earn money. So if you have a cell phone, awesome. The only reason I like a big home computer like this is I buy the big giant screens, and it's fun. I almost feel like I'm in a 747 or the space shuttle flying around with my screens in front. But it's up to you. It's up to you and your budget. If you have a little bit of money, what's the best webcam? Your cell phone. If you have a cell phone, what's the best cell phone? The cell phone you have. If you don't have a little ring light like that little circle thing, they're about $20-25 on Amazon or Walmart. All right? I don't know. You guys will figure it out. Whatever your budget is, you don't have to blow a lot of money on things. Just be honest. And if you're new, tell people. If you're nervous, tell people. If you don't know what to say, don't worry about it. We have tons of training, tons of support. Yes, we have tons of video that is waiting for you to upload. It's your video. If you pay that $60 and the $19.97 membership, that's all. $80, boom. You have so much support and training materials ready right now as I produce this video, June 25th. It's insane. We have new material. I'll just call it marketing material. It comes out every single Monday. And if you join our two biggest teams that dominate the leaderboard, yes, we're going to go ahead and help you. All right, I got my arm out. Come on. You're not going to go through this alone. And if you've joined someone already in Save Club, don't worry about it. I'm going to welcome you aboard because I want you to get the funnel system. It's better than anything out, and it's the only thing out. Maybe there'll be some other funnels down the road, but I don't know. Who knows? I don't hold my breath. I'm too busy making video and earning money and saving money, and I want you to do the same. So look at my screen. Joinsaveclub.org. That's the official way to go ahead and climb aboard. So look into this link, and let me just show you what it looks like. There you go. You're going to fill out this section. Hit that little orange button. You're going to get a Save Club email. Go ahead and sign up for Save Club if you'd like, or you're going to get more information. And watch this little YouTube video here. It's our founder. It's just a few minutes. He chats with you a little bit, okay? Now, the page I'm showing you, that's if you click joinsaveclub.org. I've signed up an insane amount of people with that exact link right there. Now, when this came out, I signed up about another 70 people. And it's the funnel. Save Club Funnels, just remember with an S, saveclubfunnels.com. It's only $25. I think it's going to help you out if you signed up underneath someone that doesn't have like a team and they just disappear. We don't do that, not with the funnel system. You're going to configure it. Takes about 10 minutes. I'm going to send you a little setup video my friend Mike produced. It's easy. And then you're going to get real good at promoting your link. And the reason why this is so successful is, let me show you. Look on the screen right now. See this white rectangle box? Go ahead and put your favorite email in and then hit that yellow button. And this entire website is yours too. 25 bucks. But it's this video that gets all the signups because it's 20 minutes long. It explains everything in greater detail what Save Club is. Yes, it's a membership website that saves you money, but oh yeah, it can really earn money too. So if you like it, go ahead, hit this red button on the left if you want to join Save Club. But if you already have joined Save Club, then hit this one right here, the Get New Funnel. It's 25 bucks. And yes, you can use, let's see here, Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express. And then, like I said, there's a setup video and you're on your way. But I want you to look into both of these opportunities. And if you've already joined Save Club, then you don't need to go to joinsaveclub.org. But like I said, if you're stuck and you got 25 bucks, please look into this, okay? All right, guys, I'm going to end my video. If you need something, Cory at CoryDraper.com. I'm easy to get a hold of, okay? I'll definitely make you a video and help you out any way I can. And I want you to succeed. So let's earn and let's save. Deal? All right, guys. Thanks for the last 10 minutes, 11 minutes, okay? And subscribe to my YouTube channel. You guys take care.